Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to simplify expressions. Let's get started with it. So here are a few steps that we need to follow in order to simplify expressions. The first step is to apply distributive property and solve the brackets. Next, we collect all the like terms and then add or subtract them based on the signs of coefficients. We'll practice a few examples to understand each step in detail.
So let's start with the first example. Here we have to simplify this expression. As you can see, there are no brackets in the expression. So we will first collect the like terms. 5x and 9x have the same variable of x and the same power of 1, and hence they are the like terms. Next, 3y and minus 8y have the same variable of y and the same power of 1. So they are the like terms. Also, minus 2b and positive 7b have the same variable of b as well as the same power of 1. And hence that is the next pair of like terms. We'll collect these like terms and write them together in this way. 5x plus 9x plus 3y minus 8y minus 2b plus 7b. Now, let's use the addition and subtraction rules of integers and simplify the like terms. 5x plus 9x. Adding the coefficients 5 and 9, I get 14x. 3y minus 8y, which is minus 5y. Minus 2b plus 7b. That is positive 5b.
Let's get started with the second example. Here again you can observe that there are no brackets in the expression. So we will first collect the like terms. 5x square and minus 12x square have the same variable of x and the power of the variable is 2, and hence they are the like terms. Next, you can observe 6ab and minus 9ab also have the same variables a and b. So that is the next pair of like terms. Minus 9xy square and minus 4xy square also have the same variables of x and y, and the powers of the variables is also same, and hence they are the like terms. We have already seen the like terms. We will collect them and write them together so that we can simplify the expression. So, this becomes 5x square minus 12x square plus 6ab minus 9ab and minus 9xy square minus 4xy square. So, in this case, 5x square minus 12x square, 5 minus 12 is minus 7x square. 6 minus 9 is minus 3ab and minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13xy square. There is a video based on addition and subtraction of integers already available on the channel. So you can watch that and understand how I simplified the coefficients of these like terms. Let's move to the third example. Now you can observe that this has brackets as well. So first we will apply the distributive property. That is, we will first multiply the factor of 3 with all the terms inside the bracket. Let's do that. 3 times 6x and plus 3 times minus 2y plus 3 times negative c. Similarly, apply distributive property to solve the brackets. That is minus 4 into 2x minus 4 times 5y and minus 4 into minus 3c. This becomes 18x and 3 times minus 2 is minus 6y. 3 times minus c. Remember, if we write minus c, then the coefficient of c is negative 1. So 3 into negative 1 is minus 3c. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8x. Minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20y. And minus 4 into minus 3, that becomes plus 12c. Now we will collect all the like terms. So let's do that. Here you can observe 18x and minus 8x are the like terms. Next, minus 6y and minus 20y are the like terms. And minus 3c and plus 12c are the like terms. Let's write them together. So I get 18x minus 8x minus 6y minus 20y minus 3c plus 12c. Please be careful with expressions that you have to consider the terms along with their signs. Now, 18 minus 8 is positive 10x, minus 6 minus 20 is minus 26y, and minus 3c plus 12c is plus 9c. I cannot simplify this expression further, so this is the final answer or the simplified version of the given question. Let's solve one more question which is involving indices as well. So here I have brackets, and that's why first I will apply the distributive property to solve the brackets. So as per distributive property, I need to multiply the factor of 2p with all the terms inside the bracket, right? Let's do that. So I get 2p into p plus 2p times 3r plus 2p into minus 4. Same way for the next one, negative 3p times 7r and negative 3p times minus 3p. Now, we will use the basic concept of exponents in order to proceed further. You may watch a video that is already available on channel to understand the basics of exponents. So, 2p into p will be 2p squared. 2p into 3r. First, multiply the coefficients, that is 3 2s are 6, and p into r, that is pr. Next, 2 into minus 4, which is minus 8p, and minus 3 into 7. First, multiply the coefficients. Minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. P into r is pr. Again, first multiply the coefficients in this case. Minus 3 into minus 3, which is positive 9, and p into p is p squared. Next step, we will collect all the like terms. So first of all, 2p squared and 9p squared are like terms. Next, 6pr and minus 21pr are the two like terms, and minus 8p doesn't have any like term. So let's collect the like terms and write them together. So 2p square plus 9p square plus 6pr minus 21pr minus 8p. Now we'll add the coefficients or subtract the coefficients based on their signs. So 2 plus 9 is 11p squared. 6pr minus 21pr. Subtract them, that is 21 minus 6 is 15, and sign of bigger number, that is minus 15pr and minus 8p. This is the simplified form of the given expression.
So kids, that's it for today. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any update from the channel Math Simplified by Harsha Jeshnani. Thank you.